Hey guys, welcome back to another Colorado cardio video. Today I'm at a gym doing some overall maintenance because I got a call saying that it's making like a grinding, squeaking sound, but it goes away once you kind of warm up the treadmill. So I'll kind of show you guys what that sounds like. So typically people run at 6 miles per hour, 7. So we'll push it up to there. You can already start hearing the grinding sound coming from the dry belt because it's too dry. So all I'm going to do is grab some soap. We use Green Dove soap. That's what I tell everybody to use. As you can see, I got teeth marks in it already because I've been using it. So I'm going to put it on the inside of this roller and do it for about half the roller, and then start it up again, and it'll be nice and quiet. So I started it back up, back at 6 miles per hour. And as you can see, just a little bit of soap that I used. It dispersed itself within the teeth and the belt, and the sound has gone away.